So y'all saw me go get my mail earlier, and now we are going to unwrap my IPSY, well, technically BoxyCharm now, but it is one of the ways I definitely stay a bad bitch on the budget, because this shit is, sorry to cuss, is expensive, and I don't have the money for this otherwise. If I didn't get IPSY, I'd kind of be screwed. All right, package, and we have 3 lovely gifts today. All right, so package number 1. Brow Harmony pencil and gel. Oh, this is Selena Gomez. I've never used her Rare Beauty. This is the brow. Oh, this is so cute. This is the brow pencil and gel, and I know it's in rich taupe because I remember ordering it. This is an add-on, guys. It's not a. This is not a IPSY normal bag, a Glam Bag Plus or BoxyCharm. I do add-ons because I really love skincare and makeup and stuff. Okay, let's see what color. Oh, it's like screwed on there or something. Why can't I get this off? I don't want to break it. Ooh, rich taupe. Oh, that matches like perfectly, so that'll do. That'll do. All right, guys, and I'm not going to try the brow gel because I don't really like gel. I just wanted it more for the pencil. Oh, okay. I know what this is. This is the Mattely Poppin' lipstick from Kimchi. I've only gotten like 2 products from Kimchi. I know it's like a drag queen or something. I think it's a drag queen, dude, guy, girl, whatever. Anyway, but I loved the products, and this is the color Work with an E. You know, work it, girl. Slay, bitch. Okay. Ooh, such cute packaging again. Eat and drink without fear. Oh, it's gonna stay on. Alrighty. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. Ooh, it's like super light pink. If I had some lip liner on and stuff and I actually like makeup besides just moisturized tint shit and actual makeup on, it'd look really pretty. But as of now, that kind of like washes me out. But it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait to do a makeup look with it. And okay, that's all for. So we got these 2 from bag number 1. Now, from this one, we're gonna. Oh, Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. I absolutely love this brand. This brand is so expensive. I was on like Facebook last night and I got an ad for it. And holy crap, I didn't realize. Now, not this specific thing. I think this is like $70, which is super expensive. But anyway, it's the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment by Elemis and Hydrating Eye Serum. But their like products go for like $200, and this by itself is $70, and it's just an eye serum. I'm so excited. Yay. I want to stay young, you know. Young at heart. I want to look it too. Okay. Okay, this was like a little mini add-on. Micro Delivery by Philosophy. It's an exfoliating daily face wash. Can you all even read that? I can barely read it, and I'm actually looking at it. Okay. I think this is like AHA's with fine-grained desert earth. Oh, okay. So it's not a chemical. It is a physical exfoliant. I love me a physical exfoliant, actually. I'm supposed to do it. They say don't do it, but I do it every day. I don't care. Okay. Ooh, then my little mini candle, my Juicy Couture Rosé Land. How adorable is this? Smells like a Starburst or something. I love fruity stuff. I didn't know what it was going to smell like, so I'm happy that it smells good. Okay, and all right. Bag number 3 is oh, okay. Yay, I remember ordering this. I just ordered this, I feel like. Okay. Saturday Skin, which is a really, really good brand. I loved everything from them as well. Saturday Skin Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum. And let me see what, because I didn't really say much about it on the website. Use morning and night, tapping motion for maximum absorption. And it has 4 times of probiotics to boost the look of a healthy complexion. 2 times prebiotics to activate the full power of the God, my eyes are so bad. Probiotic infusion. Multi-benefit niacinamide. Helps to improve texture, tone, and radiance. Ah, I love glowy in the skin. All right, and sea buckthorn fruit. I don't know what that is. Extract. Sea buckthorn fruit. That's hard to say. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Extract helps nourish the skin. I want to see what the packaging looks like. I love their packaging. Sorry, I just have to open. I'm a mess up everything. When I first started getting this, I'd actually keep all the boxes because I thought it was so cute. But no, I don't care about the boxes anymore because I actually do use the products. Why can't I get it open? Oh, there we go. This is a big old box. I mean, it feels heavy. Oh, how adorable. Oh my god. They have cute packaging. My little vanity's gonna look so fancy. Or my little toilet area where I keep all my stuff. Alright guys, again, IPSY, it's $13 a month for like the regular glam bag, but I get the BoxyCharm, which glam bag is 5 mini size products. I get 5 full size products because it's only $28 and it's only $15 more. And my bags are usually worth like $250. And again, these are add-ons. I think I paid about $60, $70 total for all of these products. When one of these products alone, this by itself is $70. So, bad bitch on a budget. Yeah, have a nice day.